Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Easy Way. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. It's great to be here with you again.
Today we are talking about something everyone has.
Something mysterious, something powerful.
Paul, stop. We're talking about our night routines.
Yes, what we do after a long day.
Before we start, a small request.
Please like this podcast if you enjoy listening.
And subscribe to Learn English Easy Way for more simple English conversations.
And don't forget to share this episode with your friends.
Thank you so much. Now, let's begin. So, Paul, what's the first thing you do when you reach home at night?
I open the door, throw my keys on the table, and say hello to my cat, Bella.
Is Bella excited to see you?
She's a cat, Emily. She looks at me like, "You're late. Feed me."
Cats are so dramatic. My dog Max is the opposite.
Oh, yes, Max jumps like a happy potato.
Yes, he jumps, he barks, he wiggles like a noodle. He is pure happiness.
After greeting Bella, I change into comfortable clothes: t shirt, soft pants, no blue work shirts.
Same. I change into comfy clothes instantly. It feels like freedom. What about dinner? Do you cook?
Emily, I try, but cooking and we don't get along.
What do you mean?
Last week, I burnt the rice, and the pasta, and maybe the air.
Paul, how do you burn air?
I don't know. Smoke came from everywhere.
Oh my goodness, poor kitchen.
So I eat simple food, eggs, or I order pizza.
I cook at night. Chopping vegetables relaxes me. I make soup or pasta.
Emily, you are a night chef. I am a night disaster.
After dinner, I clean the kitchen and then sit on my sofa.
Do you watch TV?
Sometimes, or I read a book. I like quiet evenings.
I also watch TV. Bella sits on my lap and sleeps like a queen.
Cats are royalty.
Yes, I just sit still. I cannot move. Cat rules.
After relaxing, I take Max for a short walk.
Night walks must be peaceful.
Yes, quiet streets, cool air, stars in the sky. It's beautiful.
What time do you sleep, Emily?
I sleep early. I'm a morning person. I brush my teeth, wear pajamas, read for 10 minutes, then sleep.
Wow, perfect routine.
And you? What time do you sleep?
Late, very late.
How late?
Maybe 11:30, maybe midnight, sometimes 1 a.m.
Paul, and then you hate the morning.
Yes, I create my own suffering.
And that is our night routine. Mine is calm. Paul's is smoky.
Yes, very smoky.
Thank you for listening to our podcast today.
Please like, subscribe to Learn English Easy Way and share with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, what is your night routine?
We'd love to read your answers.
See you next time, Paul.
Bye, Emily. Bye, everyone.
Bye for now.